So let's learn and enjoy mathematics.
Let us discuss about percentile rank. We will identify the definition of the percentile rank, the formula for the percentile rank, and how to solve the percentile rank. What could be the percentile rank? Percentile rank, it indicates the percentage of data values that are equal to or below a particular value in the dataset. So to be able to identify the percentile rank, first we need to arrange the scores in ascending order. So mula sa mababa, pataas. Second, let us determine the rank of the scores of interest. The formula that is percentile rank is equal to B plus 0.5 E whole over N times 100. So what could be PR? PR, that could be the percentile rank. So PR, percentile rank. B, numbers of scores below the given score. So we need to count the number of scores below the given score. 0.5 copy, and then E, number of scores equal to the given score. Kung may repetition, ilan yun? Kung isa, write 1. Kung dalawa, 2, 3, and so on. And N, that could be the total number of scores times 100. The given 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, the following number arranged in ascending order. Let us find the percentile rank 80. So 80. So below 80, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 80? We have 1. The total number is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us replace all the value to the given formula. Below 80, that is 4, plus 0.5, we have only 180. So 1 over the total number, we have 8 times 100. 0.5 times 1, that is 0.5. So 4 plus 0.5 divided by 8 times 100. 4 plus 0.5 divided by 8 times 100. First, we need to add 4 plus 0.5, that is 4.5. 4.5 divided by 8 times 100, the answer is 56.25. The percentile rank of 80 is equal to 56.25. We have the given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let us find the percentile rank 20. Before 20, we have 3. 20 is only 1. And then the total number, we have 6. So replace all the value to the given formula. So 3 plus 0.5 times 1 over 6 times 100. So 0.5 times 1, that is 3 plus 0.5 over 6 times 100. First, we need to add the parentheses. So 3 plus 0.5 is 3.5 over 6 times 100. So 3.5 divided by 6 times 100. So the percentile rank is equal to 58.33. So the percentile rank of 20 is 58.33. Based on the given that is arranged in ascending order, let us find the percentile rank 17. So the number before 17, that is 6. 17 is 3. And then the total number, if we count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 numbers. Let us replace all the value to the given formula. So 6 plus 0.5, we have 17 na 3 over total number is 13 times 100. 0.5 times 3, that is 1.5. So 6 plus 1.5 over 13 times 100. 6 plus 1.5, that is 7.5 over 13 times 100. So the percentile rank is 57.69. So the percentile rank of 17 is 57.69. Let us find the percentile rank 30. So we have two 30s. The number before 30, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 8. And then the total number, that is equal to 12. So percentile rank is equal to, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers before 30, 230, so 0.5 times 2. And then if we count, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So over 12 times 100. First, we need to multiply. 0.5 times 2, that is 1. So 8 plus 1 over 12 times 100. So add the parentheses, 9 over 12 times 100. If we divide times 100, 9 divided by 12 times 100, the percentile rank of 30 is 75. Based on the given, let us find the percentile rank 20. So before 20, we have 4. So 4 plus 0.5, the number of 20, we have 3. And then if we count the total number, that is 13 times 100. 0.5 times 3, that is 1.5. So 4 plus 1.5 divided by 13 times 100. 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5 divided by 13 times 100. So the percentile rank is 42.31. So the percentile rank of 20 is 42.31. Based on the given, let us find the percentile rank 24. So 24, we have 4. And then the number before 24, if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So percentile rank is equal to 9 plus 0.5 times 4 divided by, if we count all the numbers, so let us count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 18 times 100. 0.5 times 4, that is 2. So 9 plus 2 divided by 18 times 100. 9 plus 2 is 11. And then copy 18, copy 100. 11 divided by 18 times 100, that is 61.11. So the percentile rank of 24 is 61.11. Instruction: let us find the percentile rank. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.